Hey, I got a new phone today. And I just thought I'd show you how it works. It's actually a speakerphone model, and I install it here. You see I have my old one here. Just comes off the wall. They actually had mounts built into houses for landlines at one time. Don't need this anymore. Put this up, and here's how speakerphone works. Oh, I gotta hook it up first to the landline. Alright, now here we go. Ready? It's really cool. Call my
No new messages. Main menu.
call my voicemail.
If you want your messages now, press 1. To work with your greetings, press 3. If you need something else, save voice messages. Message.
Let's see who first message is from.
194458881.
It sounds like it's from Daniel Craig.
26 p.m. on April 26th.
Hey Nathan, it's Daniel. I just came up with a new word. So if you get ostracized through text, it's text communication.
If you get ostracized through text,
To listen to this
it's called
message,
text
press
communication.
1. To respond, press 2. To erase the message, press 3.
And then to use the phone normally, just pick it up, listen for a dial tone. I don't know where the speaker is on that. And then just dial a number.